Lakshadweep is a group of islands located in the Arabian Sea. Here, majority of the people are fishermen and they depend upon the sea for their livelihood. Tuna is a widely catched fish in this region. Usually, tuna is preserved in smoked and dried form called the mas. Fishermen goes to the sea early in the morning and return with a catch by the noon. By the time they arrive, the man at the shore make necessary arrangements for processing the meat. He sets fire to a large boiling vessel. This vessel is filled with seawater along with little amount of salt. He also sharpens his knife for cutting the fish. Finally, the boat has arrived. The fishes are transferred to a smaller boat and brought to the shore. Unfortunately, today's catch is less. Usually, they'll get a catch to fill the entire boat. One by one, the cleaning of fish resumes. The head is removed, top skin is peeled, and the internal organs are pulled out. It's a quick process. By half an hour, the entire cleaning process is done. The head portion is discarded and buried in the shore properly, while the body of the fish is moved to a crate and cleaned in seawater. By the time cleaning start, the crow gangs wait for their share. Now the meat is dirt and sand free. They are further taken into the boiling vessel. The initial process is completed. Let's hear the whole story of making in their voice.
നമ്മൾ ചൂര പിടിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് അതിൻ്റെ പീസാക്കി ചെമ്പിലിടുക. കളി വൃത്തിയാക്കി ചെമ്പിൽ ഇടുക. കടൽ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, കടൽ വെള്ളം ഇട്ട് കുറച്ച് ഉപ്പും ഇട്ട് തീ വച്ച് വേവിപ്പിക്കുക. അതിനുശേഷം നമ്മൾ ആ കഷ്ണം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ചൂരയുടെ, അതെടുത്ത് കൊണ്ട് തട്ടാക്കി വെച്ചതിന് ശേഷം ഈ പൂവ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, തോടിയും ഓലയും ഒക്കെ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ആവി കൊടുക്കുക. അതിന് ശേഷം അതെടുത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോയി വെയിലത്ത് വെച്ച് ഒരു 6-7 വെയിലുണ്ടല്ലോ, അത് കൊണ്ട് കൊള്ളിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം നല്ല ഉണക്കം കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ അതാണ് മാസാവുന്നത്.
Once the meat is smoked, it's kept under sunlight for further drying. This process may take 3 to 4 days depending upon the daylight. During the drying process, the meat are protected from birds by using net. And in case of harsh weather or showers, the entire drying stand are covered using a tarpaulin. Well dried whole meat is cut into smaller pieces for easy storage and usage. The dried mass is shipped to Mangalore and further exported to other countries.